Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps you need to take if you were to buy AdaBoy. But if of course you're in a part of our SwapIt community, then you don't need to buy AdaBoy because these tokens are going to be dropped via the airdrop. So I'll include a link below this video so you can click on the description and you can be invited to swap it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps that you would be needing if you were to, let's say, buy AdaBoy. So these are the descriptions. These are the steps that you need to take. First of all, you need to have crypto, either BTC or ETH, but we'll be rolling with BNB, or it's Binance coin. Then you need to send to the MetaMask BNB wallet, connect the MetaMask to pancakeswap, and enter the AdaBoy contract in pancakeswap, then exchange BNB for AdaBoy. This sounds a little bit more complicated than it really is. It's really, really simple process once you've done this once or twice, okay? So the first things first is we're going to be needing the AdaBoy address. So I'm going to be copying this. We're going to be needing this. And then we're going to be going to this site called pancakeswap. So pancakeswap, it's available at pancakswap.finance. You'll need to click on Connect Wallet. And we're running with MetaMask, so click on MetaMask. This then brings up a notification if asking us to give the website permission to access this. We're going to say yes, click on next, click on connect. And now we have successfully connected our wallet to pancakeswap. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to actually exchange from one crypto to the other. So you need to come to this section that says trade and click on exchange. And over here, if we had BNB in the wallet, we would then be seeing it over here. What you need to do then is select the AdaBoy. So we will paste the address. And there you see it has found AdaBoy, and we click on import. This is okay. Click on I understand and import. So now you see here, this will give us the ability now of changing from BNB to AdaBoy. You will be able to select the maximum amount and then change that BNB to AdaBoy in the wallet. So what I'm going to be doing is, just so that you guys can see this actual process, I'm going to be shooting a second video. And in that second video, I'll be showing you the exact process on how we can complete this. But what I'll do, I'll link that in the description box after I have some BNB. So there are two ways of doing this. For BNB, you can either exchange from one crypto to the other into BNB via swap. But the thing with MetaMask, it's something that's a little bit finicky, that if you are transferring, let's say, from another wallet to this wallet, which is what I'm going to be doing, and if I click on that, there's no way to sort of like receive the address. What you need to do is click on these three dots over here, click on account details, and then this gives you the address. So I have BNB in another wallet that I'm going to be sending here. That's one method of doing it. Another method is if you go to Binance, which is an exchange that I've been using for quite a while. It's a really good one. I'll include a link in the description box where you can actually go to Binance. Plenty of tutorials online, good tutorials on how to actually purchase crypto. What you'll need to do is purchase Binance at the actual exchange and then send that BNB to this address over here. Well, not this address, but of course the address in your wallet address, okay? So if you have any questions, just pop them below on this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.